SailCore has a platform called the Send on Behalf of email platform. What this does is gives you the ability as the marketing department to send out email on behalf of your sales team. So I got an example here that we have set up. This is Melissa the realtor, and this is an email that's going out on her behalf from the marketing department. These are blog articles that are integrated with her website. So if the client wants to read more about the article, they can click on read more, and it sends them over to Melissa's website to read more on the blog. Okay, so this is a integration of our blogging platform and the Send on Behalf of platform. Also, some cool features is the Market Trends Report widget. So your marketing department can plug in the Market Update widget into the email as well, setting up all of the sold and active data from the MLS directly into the Market Update widget. It also embeds all of the agent's information into the email as well. So let me give you a little example here. Here's Ballesteri Real Estate. They've got 150 agents, and they have 23,000 contacts set up between those 150 agents that are all wanting to get emails on behalf of. Okay? So you simply just go into the newsletter editor and you select the specific groups that you want to send out a newsletter to or an email to. Okay, so that's the first thing. You select the group that you want to send out to. Okay, so if I want to send out, say, Ballesteri has latest listings group or complete SOI group, they can give it a subject. If I want to select a specific template or build out a template, I can do that. They have one here that's the Your Monthly Real Estate Trends Report template. And then that will build out the template for them here. So it has a great little control widget for them to control all of the content and push that content out on behalf of their agents without the agents having to do anything. Now, obviously on the back end, this gives the agent the visibility into all of the views of those emails by their clients as well. So this is a little tutorial on the eBlast Send on Behalf of email marketing platform that I wanted to introduce to you. I highly recommend taking a look at it.